Hey Tigers, this is Coach Bogert. I'm coming at you with some directions for your week 2 assignments. Week 2 is the start of our requirement for physical activity. We're going to ask that you show proof of 2 physical activities throughout the week. So when you come to Schoology this week, at the top you will find week 2, September 14th through the 18th. You'll want to click on that folder to open it up. And you will see 2 assignments in here, 2.1 week 2 virtual workout log and 2.2 week 2 physical activity reflection. I know that I have them numbered here, but it really doesn't matter which order you do them in. They are both going to be, again, proof of your workouts this week. If you're wondering what you can do for your workout, there's a whole bunch of different things that you can do. You can go for a fitness walk, you could go for a jog, you could go for a bike ride. You could go swimming. You can use any sports practice that you might have during the week as a workout. Again, as long as you just provide proof of those practices or workouts. So you can use soccer practice, volleyball practice, cross-country practice, baseball, softball, dance, cheerleading, and anything else that I didn't mention. If you do not have a sports workout, or sports practice, if you don't have a sports practice, because you're involved in other things other than sports, and you're not sure what you can do. Again, you can do any physical activity outside, jump on a trampoline, go walking, jogging, those things that I already mentioned. Or if the weather is bad and you can't get outside to do those things, you can look here at the fitness board that we've provided. These are just suggestions of different activities that you can do. A lot of them are super fun. There's a hip hop dance, there's a low impact dance, there's yoga if you want to get a stretch in. There's all kinds of different things here that you can choose to do. You do not have to do anything off the Tiger Fitness board. This is here just for you if you can't think of anything. Okay? Now I do want to just briefly talk about the virtual workout log. This is going to take some effort from you guys to fill out. It will, here's an example of one. We'll look at the good one. You'll also have access to the good example and the bad example, so you can kind of compare yours, hopefully to the good one prior to submitting it. So an example of a good workout log, the workout log will be worth 10 points, and here's the breakdown of those. Notice you'll have the day and date, the length of the workout, the intensity of your workout, and there's a link here if you don't know what to put. There's a link to a chart. Your pre-workout, mid-workout, and post-workout heart rate. Now this will probably be the most difficult thing to remember to do because we're not used to taking our heart rate during a workout. So you might want to really try to remember to do this so that you can get full points for your workout log. Activity description, try to be as precise and detailed as you can here. And then the proof of your workout is going to most likely be a photo of you and a guardian, or if you're at a practice and your coach is willing after practice to take a picture. The thing is, you have to hold a piece of paper up in front of you, not in front of your face, but just in front of you. We still would like to see your face. That spells out FIT, and out to the side, you write out the FIT principles for that activity. Here's an example for you. And then here is an example of Coach Kendall and I. I'm the parent. I don't know if you can read that, but it says parent guardian. She was the student in this example, and we have a piece of paper here that lays out what she did for her workout, and this is our proof, right? So this is how you could fill out the workout log. You will just upload this photo here. You may actually just be able to copy and paste it because it's going to be in a Google Doc. If you need help with that, email me. I'll be happy to walk you through that process if you're not sure. The second thing that you will use to prove your workout is not as work intense. It's a physical activity reflection. If you're an 8th grader that was at Pleasant Lee last year, this will most likely look familiar to you. I'm going to preview it so we can see it. Most of it is going to be like a drop-down box or multiple choice kind of thing. So you'll say, okay, I went for a jog, I went for 30 minutes. And so you'll just click through all of these. Here's that chart that I was talking about in the other one. There's a link to this chart. If you're not sure about the intensity of your workout, this kind of breaks it down for you so you know what to put not only here but also in your virtual log, workout log. And number 7, question number 7 is where you will submit the photo of you and a parent or guardian with with a piece of paper held in front of you spelling out fit and then what you did with that. Okay, so that's again an example of what you can put on the paper. Again, if you're not sure how to upload that picture, just ask. You can take the picture with your phone, or you can take a picture with your Chromebook. Whatever is easiest for you, you can do. Okay, so those are the 2 different things that you're going to be doing to show proof of your workouts next week. Not only next week, but the week after that, and the week after that, and the week after that, until we're able to come back to school. All right, let me see if I can get out of this. There we go. And so those, again, will be your week 2 assignments, and not only your week 2 assignments, but your week 3 assignments, and so on and so forth. We may throw in another video or 2 or written assignment as we go along, but these activity logs and activity reflections will be assignments, again, in PE from here on out until we can get back hybrid or in person. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to email me. One thing I do want to mention before I get off of here is that these workout logs are due on Friday by 11:59, so 11:59 p.m., so before midnight on Friday night. And these are, you can't make these up, like you can't make up a workout. So you need to make sure that you finish it during the week, because if you don't, then it's a 0, and I really hate putting 0s in the grade book. So please make sure that you get these workouts done. Okay? All right, have a great week. We'll see you later.